Sexy Blondie for Life Entertainment and Quiet presents a fashion show and dance, Rock the Runway, the 12th annual celebration. It's going down Saturday, October 24th inside MMC Cricket Club. That's located at 2073 Stone Mountain, Latonia Road in Latonia, Georgia. Music by Jalayan Sound from Hot 1079 and DJ Cole Rice. Pre-sold tickets are only $15. More at the door. For more info, call 770-374-4148. It's a fashion show and dance. Sexy Blondie, I want you love the turn up it guys. Saturday, October 24th. To miss it, to diss it. Make sure you're in the building. I want you crazy. Ladies, come out looking sexy. Fellas, come out looking fly. It's Sexy Blondie for Life Entertainment and Quiet fashion show, Rock the Runway edition. Always remember, the race is not for the swift, but who can endure it to the end. Many are called, but few are chosen. And Sexy Blondie says she is the chosen one.
Saturday, October 24th, Jalayan Sounds I'm invading the MMC Cricket Clubhouse. Is all about the big birthday bash for Blondie. Definitely gonna be a star-studded event, man. Definitely big up DJ Cole Rice, the whole crew, the whole entourage, man. Jalayan Sound, Atlanta. Whoa.
Yeah, man, big up Blondie. What them say, October 24th.